In this video, I will show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your account. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, you'll be taken to your home screen. Now, as you can see, I'm not currently connected to the PlayStation Network because if I go onto PlayStation Plus, it's just says sign in, and the same for media, you can see it's just saying sign in on here. So all you want to do is basically come down and press where it says sign in. Then what you can do is sign in to the PlayStation Network, either using your phone to scan the QR code on screen, or you can sign in manually at the bottom. So this is completely optional. For myself in today's tutorial, I'm just going to sign in manually, and what you're going to want to do is enter the email address and the password for your account. So once you've done that, go ahead and press sign in, and what it's going to do if you've got two-step verification is it's going to send the code to either your phone or the authenticator app, depending on how you've opted for two-step verification. And once you've gone ahead and entered your code, if you need to do the two-step verification, just go and press OK. And what it's going to do is just verify your account and then go ahead and sign you into the PlayStation Network. So as you can now see, if we go onto games and I go back onto PlayStation Plus, you will see we're now signed in and we have access to the PlayStation Network. So that is how to go ahead and sign into the PlayStation Network on your PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.